Neurons are the units in the brain, the spinal cord, and other parts of the nervous system. They receive input stimuli and transmit the input to other neurons or target cells to ultimately elicit a response. The stimuli are electrical signals themselves. The best way to understand how a neuron works is to go through this drawing here while I explain. So, a stimuli is initially received at this end. So, this is the dendrite end of the neuron. Stimuli is received here, and as the stimuli is received, this is the cell body here. That information is received as a result of these receptors here on the stimuli, on the neuron. So the receptors receive the stimuli, and a message, the impulse, is passed from the receptor through this neuron body towards the end of the neuron. If we call this a presynaptic neuron, this presynaptic neuron is going to transmit the message, or the impulse, or the stimuli, to another neuron at the other end. So this is a presynaptic neuron, and the stimuli builds here at what is called neurotransmitters. And it's received by another neuron, and the message could pass on from one neuron to another neuron, and so on. This neuron here is the postsynaptic neuron. Between this neuron and that neuron, we have what is called the synaptic gap. Now, the neurotransmitters that's transmitted from this neuron to this other neuron here, this other neuron also has receptors to receive the stimuli. There are specific enzymes that might come and inhibit the transmission of stimuli, and these enzymes include enzymes like acetylcholinesterases. They inhibit the transmission of impulses from one neuron to another neuron, or when a specific impulse needs to stop, these acetylcholinesterases come and inhibits the stimuli. We will talk more about neurons in detail in another short video. Now remember, study hard and grow.